Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw's tips and tricks, and somebody just posted on Facebook this morning if you could use the 3-point curve and connect the lines, and the answer is yes, almost like any line. So we're going to draw and we're going to click and we're going to set it, go where you see node, draw another line, set it, go where you see node, draw another line, set it, and do this as many times as you want. And if you think about it, if you hold down the control button, it will draw you an equal, no matter where you are at on the line, it'll draw it equally. So this would be pretty beneficial if you were trying to draw a bite out of an apple or anything. Let's just do another one, and let's make that one. Let's hold down the control button and make it, and then grab this one, hold down the control button. You could make some pretty good shapes. Hold down the control button. Of course, if you were going to do this, you could do it with circles and hold down the control button. And it is solid. It's a all connected. The nodes are connected. It'll move around. You can paint fill it without the fear of leaking. And I love the 3-point line, the 3-point curve line. Anyway, I hope that answered their question, and thank you.